With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us start with our question. In this question, what is given? We need to find, the magnifying power of a simple microscope is given as to be 6. Now the focal length of its lens in meter, we need to tell the value in meter will be if the least distant distance of distinct vision is given as to be 25. Now this least distance of distinct vision is denoted as capital D in the magnifying formula. Okay, so we know that what is the power magnifying power of a simple microscope? It is given as to be M equals to 1 plus capital D divided by F, where M is the magnifying power, D is the least distance of distinct vision, F is the focal length. Now magnifying power is given as to be 6, so we put the value as 6 equals to 1 plus 25 divided by F. Okay, so if we solve this, then 25 divided by F value would come out to be 6 minus 1, that means 5. So our focal length would turn out to be 25 over 5. So this would be 5, and the unit would be what? Here the unit would be centimeter. Why? Because D value was in centimeter, this value was in centimeter. So F value would turn out to be in centimeter, but we have been asked the focal length in meter. So how do we find? We just divided by 100. So if we divide this quantity by 100, 5 divided by 100, our answer would be in meter. And what would be the answer? It would be 0.05 meters. So if we check which option of the option is the correct option, our correct option is our A option. Hope you understood this solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.